Hey there, my name is Bart from Bartallama3D, and I'm here today to introduce a new product of ours. Uh, what you see here in front of me is a Prusa XL buddy board cover that includes a integrated fan. So this right here is the original part that is made by Prusa. Um, what you'll notice is there are no holes in this part. So last year, while I was printing with my Prusa XL in the summer, um, my print farm got really hot, and I had a few of the Prusas have temperature panics with failed prints. And I thought this was a really interesting design to have the MCU in a fully enclosed, without even vent holes to allow some trapped heat to escape from behind the printer. So this is the original part that comes off of your printer. Here is a steel Prusa. I believe it's called the Buddy Board cover. It goes on the back of your Prusa XL. It comes with a 24-volt fan, and this fan directly attaches to the leads found um, on that board. This fan being a 24-volt fan, it is a GDS time fan, which is a reputable fan creator. Um, it's a really good fan. Provides the airflow to go ahead and keep that chamber cool during extended print sessions, or if you live in a warm environment and run into issues. This piece right here also does come off. If you have the 5-tool head, you'll have the 3-tool heads plug in here. These two parts just get removed, um, and the cables go through there. This part comes fully assembled, plug and play, ready to go. Now, for those of you that aren't fans of the GDS time, there is a second variant of this, which is this one right here. And I think the first thing you'll notice is there is no fan included, but all the parts are included. This is the same cover that is compatible with the Noctua NF A625 PWM fan. So this fan is a lot quieter, has great air movement. There's a huge following for Noctua online. This fan, you will have to buy the fan yourself. We don't supply the fan, but you'll assemble it and you'll put it together uh, like so, and it comes with a zip tie, so you can actually zip tie the fan cable right there. But it also comes with this power converter board. The Noctua fan here is actually a 12-volt fan, while the printer's price supplies 24 volts. So this board right here utilizes a DC buck step-down converter. It takes 24 volts in, and this fan header right here provides 12 volts out. Any part that makes contact with this metal here is printed from ESD safe PETG. So we go ahead and make sure that everything here is safe and grounded. So that is this variant. Thanks for watching.